Estamos unidos. Está bien.
Hello, everyone. It is such an honor to be able to speak with you today. I'm so grateful to be again in this gathering. We come here with a message of a reminder that we are all one, and also that we are the ancient civilizations that have inhabited this planet for a long, long time. We are here to remind ourselves that our civilization has had times of higher evolution where we would keep our bodies in health, where we would not disable our bodies or the body of our planet, where we would know and remember to share with each other in a beautiful, harmonious, loving way, with no need from taking from outside, as everything is and has been always inside of us. We are here as a reminder of that civilization, of that knowledge, of that wisdom. All of us here carry that blueprint, and all those who watch this will remember. We are here to seed the seed of remembering that infinite wisdom, love, and power that we all carry. And in the reminder of that, let's go back into that. Let's dive deeper back into that to be able to inhabit this planet in a more harmonious, peaceful way, as this is ultimately a union of peace. So we invite all to dive into that peace deeper with your hearts, but also with your minds and bodies. We know we can do that as it has been done before on earth, and it will always be reminded to us whenever in times of challenge. Please come back to that and come back to your hearts, as everything is already there. You have everything you need, and you do not need to take anything from anyone outside of you. We are here to end the games of power and dive back into the games of love. Thanks everyone for being here, and thanks for holding this frequency of love alongside with us. For all of us that are participating or watching or tuning in any line of time, as time in truth does not exist. It's only a concept of the mind. We're happy to also invite you to the International Yoga Day and to the Solstice meditation that is later on my page, Cristiana Eltrayan, at 8 p.m. Bucharest time. I think that's 10 a.m. Pacific time on June 21st. We are very happy to share that freely with you and offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a energetic way, as all it is inside of us, it's coming from source. Big hugs to all and very honored.